Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss few commands with how to create files and folders, how we create multiple file and how we delete multiple file. So let's create a file, not file, folder first. We create a folder, new folder 2. Let's open it and drag it on the left side. Now type CMD in search box for open our command prompt in current directory or working directory. This is open in our current directory. Here the address where the CMD is open and where we work with CMD. This is the address. So now first create file. Okay, so for create file we have two commands. First mkdir, that is make directory, or for short form make directory md. M for make, D for directory. So we'll go for md and create a file gossipfunda. Enter. In left side we see our gossipfunda folder. Now let's create two more file. So for that md, like we have gossipfunda 1 and gossipfunda 2. Press enter. Okay, here we see this is all three folder. Now let's remove this folder. Remove directory rd or rmdir. So we go for sort rd and let's remove one first, gossipfunda. It remove one folder. Now again remove both two. For that we go for rd and both two. All the folders are deleted. Now again create all these three folder. So mkdir, gossipfunda. We create three folders. Okay. Now again we create folder with the subfolder. We create folder with subfolder. For that we use path. And now what is path? That backward slash is called path. We can say that if we give that backward slash here, we see every directory, after every directory we have that backward slash. So this define that we go through in this folder. So for that md, now first create touch, then backward slash file, then backward slash go for cat, and then nano, enter. We create a touch folder. Inside this we have file, after that we have cat folder, and we have nano folder. This is how we can create subfolder, or we can say tree of folder. Let's delete this touch folder. For that we cannot use only rd touch enter. The directory is not empty, so here we cannot use rd. We can use remove directory or remove folder rm -r. Then let's check this -r and then directory name touch. No, so we can use rm -r touch. Yes, it's work. So for remove our directory with which contain subfolder or files, then we can use rm -r. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.